Yeah, guys, welcome back to our channels. Like one of the best job opportunity from Naval Ship Repair Yard Karwar Apprenticeship Requirement 2024. Our total vacancy will be 210 post will be there. Post is already started today. And important dates. The last date of application, online applications, 30 days from the publication of advertisement in the employment news. Date of examination will be on Jan 2025, and the minimum age is 14 years, maximum 21 years. Born in between 2004 to 14 for 2011. Age relaxation will be applicable as per the rule. Qualification: the candidate should possess SSC, Matric, 10th standard, ITI, and physical standards: height 150 centimeters, weight not less than 45 kg, chest expansions not less than 5 centimeters, eyesight 6 by 6 or to 6 by 9. 6 by 9 is correct with the glasses. Here is the vacancy detail. Apprenticeships vacancy at Naval Ship Repair Yard Karwar is 180 post, and the vacancy at Naval Aircraft Yard Goa Dabolim Goa is 30 post. And for more detailed notification, here is the detailed notification will be there. The vacancy for naval repair and training candidates of obtaining for these vacancy will be undertaken at Naval Ship Repair at Karwar. Yes, the detailed notification will be there. Can please go through that. 1 minute. Yeah, here is the category trade and the training period and stipend per month. 2 year for ITI certificate holder, 1 year for ITI certificate holders, and the crane operators, overhead and rigger, fortune and head creators, 10th pass, and how to apply all these steps will be given. You can follow this. I also given the link in the description. You can guys go and please apply this. Like it is the one of the best job opportunities for the 10th ITS student, especially for ITS students. Here, step 1 for the login. Step 2 for click the apprenticeships opportunities for the drop down menu, top right corner, and step 3 is enter naval ship repair at Karwar in search by establishment name section. A list of opportunities would be displayed. Step 4, click apply for desired eligible apprenticeships trade from the list of opportunities. Step 5 will be select the Uttar Karnataka, and step 6 will be OK buttons. That is it. Yeah, here is the selection process, and all the details will be there for the notice to protect prospective candidates, and travel expenses and boarding loadings, and medical examination, police vacancy certificate. All these are. Can guys please go through that. For more related job update, you can please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.